Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can edit photos on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is open Google Files. So let's find the app. There we go. Now of course we need to find the photo that we want to edit. So I'm gonna go to Images, and then let's say I want to edit this photo over here. The next thing that we need to do is tap this pen icon over here in the bottom right corner. And now we will access the options that allow us to edit our photo. Some of the options are locked behind the Google One subscription, so they are not for free. However, we can, for instance, rotate the photo if you want to. We can also adjust the brightness, we can adjust the contrast, and so on and so forth. Once you are done with these effects, you also have filters, you have markup options. And after that, we can just save the copy by pressing this button in the bottom right corner. And after that, the image should be saved. And if we go back, we should find our edited photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.